on the low, low. I'm just trying to get you out the friend zone, 'cause you look even better than the photos. I only call you when it's half-past, but the only time that I be by your side. I only love it when you touch me, not feel me when I'm fucked up. That's a real me when I'm fucked up. That's a real me, yeah. I only call you when it's half-past, but the only time I'd ever call you mine. I only love it when you touch me, not feel me when I'm fucked up. That's a real me when I'm fucked up. That's a real me, babe.
Happy birthday dong, more birthdays to come. Hinaoton ta nga enjoy ka sa imong birthday karon og wish nako nga unta eskwela og tarong mulampo sa dili sa magminyo. Thank you, I love you.
I just wanna stay in the sun where I find. I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much, but it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun to fantasize. Oh, 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 oh. I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride.
Happy birthday, Jericho! Happy na birthday mo pa! Gusta!
Happy 21st birthday, Kuya Jayco. Magpadayon kasi mong pagkamaayo sa mua, hindi lang sa mua, sa pati sa mong pamilya. O kanala ko mayong Kuya Jay, happy birthday usap. O kanala.
Too many bullets coming through, metaphorically I'm the man, but literally I don't know what I do. I'd live for you and that's hard to do, even harder to say when you know it's not true, even harder to write when you know that tonight there were people back home who tried talking to you, but then you ignored them still. All these questions, they're forming like who would you live for, who would you die for, and would you ever kill?
Happy birthday, ya. Padayon lang sa pag-eskwela na arami dire mo suporta, especially sila mama o papa. Kana lang, again, happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday, my love. Thank you so much for everything. Sa imong pag-love, care, sacrifices, and efforts. Especially sa imong family. Thank you kaayo. Wala ko laing wish sa imuha kundi makahuman kag eskwela o makabot ni mayong pangandoy. See you. Love you.
I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our handsome president, Mr. Jayco Mahomicano.
I've been thinking too much.
Kang Jayco, ang inaot ko, kaunta, magbinutan lang siya permi, tungkol kay among himuon ng tanan para sa ilaha.
I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much.